Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily find out if someone deleted you or blocked you on Snapchat. So let's start. First, the first option is when you're going to click on chat and you are going to search, you won't be able to search him, right? It's not possible. Or when you want to make a quick add friends, you won't be able to find anyone. Click on all contacts. You won't be able to find him here. So this is the second way how you can find out if someone blocked you. If you can find him in your friends list, if you can find him in your contacts, and you can even add him, that means that that person blocked you, or he could even deleted the account. So this is the second option what could happen. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe, you know how it goes. So thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.